Well, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to be washing up some chopper stuff here. Of the chopper boxes, the chopper. Get this stuff washed up. Gotta go chop a little bit more corn, 2 more rows of corn here. That way it cleans out the chopper a little bit maybe, because the corn's drying down quite a bit now. So we're gonna go do that, and then the next part of this video will be washing stuff. So I hope you enjoy this video of washing up equipment. Unloading the wagon now. Well, we're done chopping, so let's get this wagon washed. It's kind of dirty. This one hasn't been washed in, I don't know. I washed the other two last year. This one never got washed, so let's wash the old wagon for once. Let's be nice to it. Let's wash the old one. The other two are still in the shed. I'll probably wash them eventually. Let's get it washed. Let's wash this wagon. First, we're gonna foam it. There we go, it's all foamed now. Gotta grab the little tip for it now. This little thing. This on here. I think I should wash it off first. I was gonna scrub it, but nah, I think I should scrub it. Lay this on here. Got my bucket. Let's start scrubbing. I think I should rinse it off now first. This say washed. Now we gotta wash the front. So let's get the front washed, and then the other side, and then the back yet too. So let's get. I'd have some more hose, can't quite reach it all. Whatever. Wash out the silage off under here. I didn't know I had a white chopper box. Guess I do. Grab this down quick. Grab the other stuff. And one. Just down quick and we'll wash it off. Gotta wash these, keep them clean. Whereas the acid from the silage will eat up all the paint on them and they'll get rusty. That's no good. Well, good. We don't run rusty wagons. I'll set this on the ground for now. Wash the next side now. To finish washing, and then this wagon will be done. Got this wagon all washed, all nice and cleaned up. Don't know how long it's been since this wagon's been washed, but it's been a while, I know that. It's all nice and clean again. I know it wasn't washed last year, the other two were. This one wasn't. So, got this all clean. Now we get to clean more. Time to take the corn head off. Forklift died. Pull that out. Lay these up here. How do you get to that? Just come out somehow? How does it flip up? Oh, there we go. Gonna say, it sounds like you're breaking the pallet. You did. Pallet broke. There we go, corn heads off, all ready to wash now. Put it in the shed. Gonna put the chopper away for tonight. We're not gonna wash it today no more, because it's, I don't know what time it is, 4:30 already. Got a couple spots on the wagon here that are paint flecking off, so I got myself a can of, it's not exactly New Holland spray paint, but it's good enough. I think that's good enough. Don't see any more on this side coming off, so let's put this wagon out of here and go get another one. Wash that up too. Grabbing another one out of the shed to go wash. Gonna go take this one up and get it washed. Time to get another wagon washed. This is number 2. Alright, time to give her a foam job. And that's how we foam it. Got some more foam on you guys. If you're wondering what we use, right over here. This is what we use to wash it. Proline, water tone, truck and tractor wash. Go get yourself some if you'll want some. ProLineWatertown.com or something like that, I believe. Visit, yeah, right here. Visit ProLineWatertown.com if you want some. Go get it. Not sponsored. I'm just showing you guys what we use to wash our stuff. Works really good. Got all three of the wagons washed, so we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe and share a friend. Hope you enjoyed this video of me washing chopper boxes. We're gonna wash the chopper here eventually too. Nice sun over there to the nice day to wash wagons. Actually, it's a good day to get them all washed up. Because tomorrow it's going to be like 80 something again. It was only like 70 today, so it was like perfect night to wash wagons. Got all three washed, so next video will be either cutting hay or washing the chopper. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe and share a friend. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And check out my Facebook, Instagram, TikTok page. And merch, all links in the description of this video. Thanks, guys. Wagons all back in the shed. All nice and cleaned up. No dust on them or silage no more. All done till later this fall. We'll fill them up with corn stalks, chopped corn stalks. Got the rip route and the corn head, guys. Fall is approaching fast. 2 weeks I think we'll be combining them. I think we're gonna put the corn head on the combine tomorrow though.